Brother, I want to tell you say through a summertime, teacher gone on leave, you know.
What you mean?
Boy, brother, I have to just sort out some things in my head, bro. You see me?
No joke still, you know. And the teacher look good together here. Need to make it work. Make it work.
Can't believe how you taught them way, brother.
Can't believe me either. So brother, what go on? Why black a run? Stone then govern cause?
Not really in a jail. I be a fumble everything I go on.
Like what?
So you don't know, say, Stone look like he want to move to Rankin.
Move to who? For what? A dangerous breed that in a bro.
Rankin now want a piece of food off his side through the whole chopper thing.
But brother, no big food now make off of that. So I pray.
I know, but that or somebody have to go dead back for chopper.
So what you say? Come like me have to go left me up then.
No, we need to find a way of to stop Stone.
So what Stone a try do? Try run in to stop the problem there?
Yeah man, it won't look so you know.
But brother, Rankin have a different levels of power, you know. You have to call out the army for war them man there, you know.
I'm if you tell you, but here more you do more, I do something for me. I circle over there and link Wedman and find out where him up to.
Webman. Brother, better you ask me if you name taste and buy rat poison. More than for link Webman. Me and Webman then a link charge it. I tell you that already.
That's why you have to deal with it. When you go over there, go do like you don't like how me a move, and you want Rankin to get slapped with you. Yeah man, we need to know what go on, because we can't make this mash up the community.
Alright, bad brother. You deal with it.
Hi, Bishops.
I'm going to teach. You say you come to check on your student.
Can't bother with it.
You don't think come down, man.
Yeah.
Well, you know I think come down. Me have some things to go sort out, you know. So, you know that come down. I'm late, yeah?
Hope you stay out of trouble, you know.
Yeah, man. Get a big security work over there, so you know I think come down.
Alright. Hi, Robert.
Hi Kerry.
So, how is Ashley?
Good.
I missed her.
Yeah. She asked you a couple of times still.
Really? That's good to know. So, what about you?
Good enough? Yeah, I do my thing.
Well, I'm glad you're taking the crafting seriously.
Kerry, I did always serious about this man.
So, you still want me to see clients for you?
Well, that would be a good thing.
Robert,
Kerry.
I want to apologize for the way I acted the other day. I don't want you to think that I don't believe in you.
Nah, lie still. That did lick me chip in a mama.
I realize and I am sorry.
It's like you pray me for the badness life, but you have a badness family.
Robert, I didn't choose my family.
Just like how me never chose my circumstances, but me can't just leave it.
I understand that now. But speaking of that, what did Lester say the other day when you told him you were leaving?
Well, we not talk about the leaving part yet, you know, because him did want to know what going between me and you.
So what did you tell him?
Tell him the truth. Tell him some check for you.
So when said?
Sure, you really want to know that?
Of course.
Him said, if he stay far from you.
What?
Wait, Karen!